First of all, as you know, the Gandhi Jayanti is there, and I have already given one notice in your e-portal, in your assignment section. You can go through that, but one I will just dictate that. So if any queries, any problem, you can ask me. Okay. So the first, for your Gandhi Jayanti, you can send a video related to Gandhi ji. There may be any kind of singing, any kind of poetry, any kind of speech related to Gandhi ji. You can do that, and you can make a video about that and send to the school, whatever, OAER, BMSOER @gmail.com. Okay, it is given in your diary back page. It is this email ID is already given, so you can send. But you have to remember that as it is the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, so you have to send related to Gandhi ji or related to any cleanliness activity. Suppose you are just dusting your room, or you are cleaning your garden, you can send that video also, but that video must be exceeded from 25 MB. That means only 2 minutes video you can send, not more than it. It may be less than it, but it not be more than it. Okay, so you have to send that in that site whatever I told you, and this activity is not mandatory. If you want to act, if you want to participate, then only you will participate. If you do not want to participate, then it is not needed, it is not necessary. Okay, this was the first notification. And the second notification, as you know, PT1 exam dates are already given, and these are from tomorrow, no? So first exam, maybe your maths exam is there. So anyway, the first, yes, any question? Ma'am, how the question will come from chapter year to year? Yes, I am telling is that. So keep it in your mind. No one will tell me that, ma'am, this question or this sentence was not in the question answers or not in my exercise, because this time only MCQ will become. So I have given from the chapter. So you have to go through the chapter, you have to read the chapter very carefully, because you will get the statement from inside the chapter and maybe from your textbook or maybe from your activity book. So you have to go through these chapters because you have got lots of time. So inside question will be already provided, but they all are in a MCQ form. So you will get 20 questions, 20 MCQ questions, and marks will be 20 into 1. That means each question will carry one number. First of all, one statement will be given. Suppose any statement is given, like lion is the king of the jungle, and then you will get the 4 options: 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 options you will get. So for the option, which option you will choose, you have to log that. Okay, you will get 20 minutes for 20 questions. So don't think so much about the questions. You will just see the statement, whatever the answers you know, at first you will complete it. And once you have, before to start, you will log in, you will refresh your whatever it is desktop, or it is your any kind of laptop, wherever you are attempting the questions, you have, once you will see and once you will refresh. Because in between the exam, if you will do any other kind of activity, and once you have submitted the question, that means it is submitted for all, it will not open again. So don't submit the question, you just log the questions, log the answers, and at the end of your exam you will just submit. Okay, don't think that one by one I will submit the all answers and then I will do all the questions. So at first you will choose all the answers, then you will choose all the answers, you log them, and afterward, after completing your exam, then you will submit your paper in your site, whatever it will be given. Understood? And the questions will be all MCQ questions will be there. You have to choose 1, 2, 3, 4 options will be there. You have to choose one option for each question. Okay? And after locking the answers, at last you will submit your paper, and then once you will submit it, again it will not open. So very carefully you submit the question, at first attempt all the answers, then you will submit your question paper. Understood? And very important thing, that nobody will ask me and after the exam nobody will claim that I didn't see the question in the chapter, because maybe this is not from your question part. I have taken the statements from the book and I have given you 4 alternatives. So maybe you will get the answers from your answer part, maybe you will get the from inside. So as there are 20 MCQs, you will get all the prompt places I have given, all the important places I have given. If we will go through the chapters twice, we will able to give all the answers. Okay? So the both chapters you will get the answers, only MCQ pattern questions are given. Clear to you? Any question related to you can ask me, and then I will go through your next chapter activity book. Any question? Okay. If any question you can ask me, otherwise I will go through your activity book and we will complete this. We will start to do the completing this reaching grandmother's house, fill in the blanks, whatever the activity book is given. Okay, let's start. Take out your activity book. Take out your activity book. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks. So number 1 question is there, or fill in the blank is given here. Omana and Wali Amma family took a bus in the dash. What it should be? It should be morning. And the B is given here. B, fill in the blank, is given here. They took a dash to cross the river. What it should be? It should be ferry. Okay? So write down ferry. First one is the morning, second fill in the blank is ferry. Okay? Now C option or the C statement is given. As the ferry moved in the still water, the water dash. What it would be? It would be rippled. Write down rippled. So the C answer is rippled. Now the D is, which one is the D? Omana stood by the dash of the ferry. So where she was standing on the railing of the ferry. So the answer or the option is railing. Okay. So answer is railing. And the E is here. Omana had a long, tiring but dash journey. So what it was? It was interesting. So Omana had a long, tiring, interesting journey. Write down interesting. Page number, see the chapter 8, reaching grandmother's house. First one is the fill in the blank, page number 33. And then now I am doing page number 34. Omana had a long, tiring but interesting. So Omana had a long, tiring but interesting journey. Okay. Now we will see the second question where there are 3 columns, isn't it? So the first one picture is given. Second column they have given the what type of transport, and in the third column we have to write the name. So at first we will match the picture with the what kind of transport that is land transport, I mean road transport or water transport or both transport. It is given here, we will match this pictures with this transport and then we will write the name in the third column. Okay. So, at first we will start. Are you seeing the textbook? This is not textbook. I have given here no activity book. You have to take out your activity book. It is a workbook, not your school textbook. Rupsha, you can't see it is written here activity book. Okay. It is in your workbook. Activity book means your workbook where we do only the question answers part. Okay. Now, these are the column. Column A is pictures are given. So, I will not write the pictures. I will give the numbers only. A, then B, then C, then D and then E. Okay. Now, we will write what kind of transport as the pictures are given in your book. So, we will not go through that. We will see all the column B. So, what is B column? It is given here. First one is air transport. So, number 1 is air transport. Number 2 is given underwater transport. Underwater transport. Number 3 is given here rail track transport. Okay. So, number 3 is rail track transport. And number 4 is given here. Number 4 is given here road transport. And 5th one is both road and water. Both road and water. So, at first we will match the second column with A, B, C, D pictures. Okay. So, see the air transport here in the picture. See the D picture is a helicopter. So, this matches with the A. Okay. So, it should be A. So, you write down this is A. Air transport, that means number 1 air transport will matches with the D. And what we will write, what is the name? This is helicopter. Understood? This is air transport and this is helicopter. Sir. এই পোর্শনটা দেখা যাচ্ছে ক্যামেরাটা একটু হ্যাঁ বাস থ্যাংক ইউ and now second one, see underwater transport. So, underwater transport, which one is? See here E is given, or you see C. Underwater transport is submarine. So, it should be E. So, this second one is underwater submarine is actually E, which matches underwater transport. Picture is given submarine, which that means E picture. So, it will matches with E and write the name. It is submarine. Okay. So, write down submarine. Third one is rail track. And which picture will match with it? This is B. No, what is the picture in B picture? B is a metro, or you can say train. Okay. So here we will match the 3 with the B picture and write the name. What it would be? Write the name. It is train, because there is metro is not given here. So we will write train is given here. So we will write the train. Okay. Please mute your speaker. So whatever the activity is going inside your home, that will not be listened by any other. Okay. So you please mute your speaker so that everybody will able to listen the class and everybody will able to concentrate on it. Kindly mute your speaker. Okay. Now the fourth one is road transport. So which one is the road transport here? If we will see, C is the bus and C is the road transport. So we will write it down, bus. Both road and water transport, which one is it? You see the A picture. What type of picture it is? This picture is actually a picture of hovercraft. So write down hovercraft. So we know hovercraft move in a water as well as on the, it can go down in the water as well as it can just move on the road. So it is a hovercraft. Hover. So it is hovercraft. Okay. So this fill in the blanks and matching is being completed here. Next we will move towards the now it is clear, no? Picture is clear. I have seen that everything is clear on the board. So I am telling one first picture in B column. See, the picture is D and write down helicopter. Now the second B picture matches with the, you see the second one underwater transport matches with E and write down submarine. Then third one is rail track transport, it is a B and write down the train. Then fourth one is a road transport, it is C and matches with bus. And last one is both road and water transport, it matches with A and write down. What is it? It is a hovercraft. Okay. So you have completed. Now we will write the. Now next we will write true and false. Here write down true and false. So the first statement is given here, C, true and false. First A is given, on reaching Kottayam, Omana's family went to Amu Amma's house. So first one or the A statement is given here, on reaching Kottayam, Omana's family went to Amu Amma's house. So is it true? No, it is not true, because which one is, they have, next day they have reached to Amu Amma's house. So it is a false statement. So A is a false statement. Now B is given here. B, when Omana reached Valiamma's house, she was very sleepy. So it is a true statement. C statement is Valiamma's family couldn't go with Omana. So they all have gone to, next day they all have gone to Amu Amma's house from the bus. So it is a false statement. So C is a false statement. And D is given here. Everyone had to pay the fare after getting off. So it is not true, it is a false statement, because we know before to get inside the ferry they have to take the ticket. So before the journey they have to pay the money. So it is a false statement. Write down D is a false statement again. And what about the E? Omana reached Amuama's place in the evening. So it is a true statement. Write down true statement. Okay. Now time is getting over. So we will do all the question answers in my next class. But before that, if you have any queries regarding your exam, regarding your Gandhi Jayanti, you can ask me. And before to leave the class, you just give your presence, write down present ma'am. Okay. If you write the present ma'am, so that I can get your names. Kindly write the presence. Everybody who are present in the class, they will write present ma'am. Okay. Then I will get. Thank you. Thank you for the class. Just write your presence and then leave the class.